Hey guys, wanna know how to download Taskade on your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in Taskade. And once you've done that, just simply click on the first link right here. That will direct you to the official website of Taskade AI. Now to download Taskade AI, on the left side right here, it was product and hover on it. And then click on download apps right here. Now once you've done that, you can see various options from desktop to mobile applications and browser extensions. Since we are doing it on a PC, head towards desktop applications and select any OS that you would like. For me, I'm on Windows, so I'll select Windows. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store. The choice is yours. And after a while, the downloads will begin. After the download is done, just simply head towards downloads and then open the file right here. Now Taskade will automatically be installed. And after Taskade is installed, the installer should automatically close and Taskade should open by itself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more legit videos. See you in the next one.